zuva rasvika rekuvhota muAllentown, so I'm here at one of the polling stations pana Hamilton na 13th Street. Vanhu vasati vatanga kuuya havo, but eventually they will be coming, maybe kuma 11 muchaona kunenge kwazara. Thank you so much. We'll be going around all the polling stations. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Barry. I'm supporting my candidate, Nat Hyman, for mayor of Allentown.
Do you think Mr. Hyman is going to emerge the victor?
I have high hopes that he'll emerge the victor. This is a man that I believe is doing this to better the city. He's raised his family in Allentown. He's gone to school in Allentown, and things that are important to him. He wants to see the schools be better. He wants to reduce crime. He wants to have City Hall work with the mayor's office, work with first responders, the police department, the fire department. So I think he's doing this for the right reasons. So for that reason, I certainly hope he wins.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mayor Pawlowski's daughter, Mercy Pawlowski, and I'm encouraging you all to come vote today. I am here hoping for the best. Of course, we want the best possible outcome, and we're hoping to win.